Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we will create a Tiny11 26H1 ISO. So to create Tiny11 26H1 ISO, we will be using a tool called Tiny11 Builder. So as you can see that my original Windows 11 is approximately 7 GB, whereas my final debloated Windows 11 ISO is just 5 GB. So let's get started. First, open any browser and search for Windows Insider Preview download on Google. Now, open the first official link and make sure you are logged in to your Microsoft account. Great. Now, scroll down a bit and you will see the Select Edition option. Now click on it and then select the latest 26H1 release preview channel. So just select it and click on Confirm. Now, select your language. So I will select English International and then click on the Confirm button. So after a while, you will see the download button. So just click on 64-bit download and download the Windows 11 26H1 ISO file. So as I have already downloaded this file, so I will skip the process. Again, open your browser and search for Tiny11 Builder. Now, open the first link from GitHub. On the right panel, click on the releases section. So the latest version as of today is September release. So under assets, click on the source code file and save it to your desktop. Now, close your browser and right click on the Tiny11 zip file that we have downloaded and then click on extract all. So this will extract all the contents of this folder. So these are all the contents of Tiny11 Builder tool. Moving on, click on Start and then search for PowerShell. Now right click on the PowerShell app and then click on Run as Administrator. Now copy and paste this command into your PowerShell. So I will share all the commands link in the video description below. Now, go back to your Tiny11 Builder folder and copy the location of the folder as shown. In your PowerShell, type %, followed by a space, and then open the quotes and paste this address. Now type / followed by this file name. So the name of this file is tiny11maker.ps1. So just type tiny11maker.ps1 and close the quotes and press enter. Now here type R and press enter. Now you will have to enter the drive letter of your Windows 11 26H1. So first we will move on to mounting our Windows 11 ISO file. So just right click on the ISO file and then click on the mount button. So as you can see that our Windows 11 ISO has been mounted as a drive letter F. So as we have mounted our Windows 11 ISO, Windows has allotted it a drive letter F. So just go back and type the exact drive letter and press enter. For me it was F. Now wait for a while and then you will need to choose the version of your Windows 11. You can see that Windows 11 Pro has an index number of 6. So if you scroll down above, you will find the index number of Windows 11 Home Edition as well. You can select any version that you like, so I am using the Windows 11 Pro version. So I will type 6 and then press enter. Now this will take a while and your Tiny11 26H1 ISO will be ready to use. In the meantime, you can sit back and relax as this process is time consuming. For me, the entire process took about 30 minutes. So after the process is complete, press enter to exit the script. And that's it, you can now close your terminal. You can find the newly created ISO file in your Tiny11 folder named tiny11.iso. You can now use Rufus or any other tool to create a bootable installer media and install the bloat-free version of Windows 11 26H1. So that's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos like these. I'll see you in the next one.